Hello and welcome to our final day of demos for Digital Dance Weekend 4. We start our day at 8:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time with a little Joe Thomson Szymanski Sunshine as Joe warms us up and stretches us before our final day of dancing. Gary O'Reilly of Ireland leads our first teach at 9 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time with his advanced phrase dance Tequila La La La. Thank you, Gary. All my best to Assumpta. At 10:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, we have the irrepressible Guillaume Richard of Paris, France, with the intermediate teach, We're Blood. Thank you, Guillaume. We're glad to have you back on our living room screens. Up next is Niels of Denmark at 12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time with his intermediate advanced phrase dance, Together But Apart. Thank you, Niels. Clever titling on this dance, as the track is Stuck With You by Ariana Grande and Justin Bieber. At 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, we have a 1-hour lunch/dinner with the instructors, as well as social dancing. After the break at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, we have John Robinson of the United States of America with his Improver Hour teaches Choose Love and Be Alright. This is Choose Love.
I can see
This dance is Be All Right.
She rather the ass in my plastic cup. I say yes, man, fill her up. Tell me something good that I don't know. 'Cause this world's been kicking my behind. Life ain't been a friend of mine. Lately I've been feeling kinda low. And she looked back over her shoulder, pointed at the sign hanging up on the wall. They say everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright.
Thank you, John. Everything is gonna be all right. Our final teach of the weekend comes from Brandon Zahorsky of the United States of America with his 4 p.m. teach, the improver dance, Wreck This Town. Thank you, Brandon. That dance looks like it's going to be a popular one as our country bars start opening back up. That does it for our demos. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you in the morning.